Are you looking for the best mirrorless cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mirrorless cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless Camera. The Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera is an ultra-compact and affordable entry into Canon's RF mount ecosystem, ideal for beginners and casual photographers. Equipped with a 24.1MP APS-C CMOS sensor and the Digic 8 image processor, it delivers sharp, vibrant stills and full HD video at up to 60 frames per second. The camera features dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection, ensuring fast and accurate focusing for both photos and videos. It offers 4K video recording at 24 frames per second, though with a crop, and supports slow-motion recording at approximately 120 frames per second in HD mode. The included RFS 18 to 45mm f. 4.5-6.3 IS STM lens provides a versatile zoom range suitable for everyday photography. Its compact design, lightweight build, and user-friendly interface make it a great choice for those transitioning from smartphones to dedicated cameras. While it lacks a touch-sensitive screen and has a limited viewfinder, the EOS R50 excels in portability and image quality, making it a compelling option for those seeking a budget-friendly mirrorless camera. Number 2. Sony Alpha A6400. The Sony Alpha A6400 mirrorless camera with 16 to 50mm lens is a compact and versatile APS-C mirrorless camera designed for both photography and videography enthusiasts. Equipped with a 24.2MP Exmor CMOS sensor and the Beyond's X image processor, it delivers high-resolution images and full HD video recording capabilities. The included 16 to 50mm f. 3.5-5.6 OSS lens offers a versatile zoom range suitable for various shooting scenarios. The camera features a 3.0-inch LCD touchscreen that tilts 180 degrees, making it ideal for vlogging and selfies. With its lightweight design and user-friendly interface, the Sony Alpha A6400 is a great choice for those seeking a portable and capable camera for everyday use. Number 3. Canon EOS R6 Mark II Camera. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II mirrorless camera, body only, is a high-performance full-frame camera designed for photographers and videographers seeking versatility and advanced features. It features a 24.2-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor paired with the Digic X image processor, delivering exceptional image quality with low noise even in low-light conditions. The camera supports 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, oversampled from 6K, and also offers 6K ProRes RAW video output via HDMI with a compatible external recorder. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with subject detection for people, animals, and vehicles ensures fast and accurate autofocus across a wide area. The R6 Mark II includes a 3.69 million OLED electronic viewfinder and a 3.2-inch 1.62 million LCD touchscreen for precise framing and intuitive controls. Built for durability, it features a weather-sealed body, dual UHS SD card slots, and robust construction suitable for professional use. Combining high-resolution stills, advanced video capabilities, and professional-grade reliability, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is ideal for serious photographers and content creators. Number 4. Sony Alpha ZV E10. The Sony Alpha ZV E10 is a versatile and beginner-friendly mirrorless camera designed for content creators, vloggers, and those transitioning from smartphones to dedicated cameras. Equipped with a 24.2MP APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor and the Beyond's X image processor, it delivers high-resolution stills and 4K video oversampled from 6K, ensuring sharp and detailed footage. The camera boasts a 3.0-inch side flip-out touchscreen LCD, making it ideal for selfies and vlogging. Its 425-point fast hybrid AF system with real-time eye autofocus ensures quick and accurate focusing, even on moving subjects. Designed with creators in mind, the ZV E10 includes features like a directional 3-capsule microphone with a windscreen, a 3.5mm microphone input, and a headphone output for enhanced audio control. Additionally, it supports live streaming via USB-C without the need for additional software or hardware. The E-mount lens system offers flexibility, allowing users to choose from a wide range of lenses to suit various shooting styles. Compact and lightweight, the ZV-E10 is an excellent choice for those seeking a portable yet powerful camera for both photography and videography. Number 5. Canon EOS R50 Camera. The Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera with RF S18-45mm f4.5-6.3 IS STM lens kit is a compact and versatile hybrid camera designed for both photography and videography, making it an excellent choice for content creators, vloggers, and travel enthusiasts. Equipped with a 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and the Digic X image processor, it delivers high-quality images and videos with reduced noise, even in low-light conditions. The camera features 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, oversampled from 6K, ensuring sharp and detailed footage. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system provides fast and accurate autofocus, while the vari-angle touchscreen LCD offers flexibility for framing shots from various angles. The RF S18-45mm lens included in the kit is lightweight and versatile, suitable for a wide range of shooting scenarios. With its user-friendly interface and advanced features, the Canon EOS R50 is an ideal tool for creators looking to elevate their content.